Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to take a practical from section B, practical number 6 in your journal. As such, we have completed with chapter number 6, that is classification of animals. So the different phylums and all are already known to you. So today we are starting practical number 6 in your journal on page number 44 to study the characteristics of non-chordate animals, that is earthworm and cockroach. Now here apparatus is, we are going to see preserved specimens. We are not going to see live. So preserved specimens of earthworm and cockroach. Procedure given is, observe the given specimen according to the points given below and study their characteristics. A prominent character of its phylum, and you are going to label the diagrams which are given here in the journal. So our first specimen which we are going to take is earthworm. Now you can see the preserved specimen of earthworm over here. Now it is a preserved specimen. Here on the top it is having a mouth. Below the mouth you can see the clitellum, and towards the end we have the anus. So same labelings here you are going to do in your journal. Here in the first bracket you are going to put mouth. You are going to label it as mouth. Below the mouth in this box you are going to put clitellum, C-L-I-T-E-L-L-U-M, and towards the end in the third box you are going to write as anus. So these are the three labelings for earthworm. Now very important theme when you are writing about the non-chordate and chordate animals in the exam, you are going to write about their classification. Which kingdom they belong to, which is their subkingdom, which is the phylum, and the example which we are taking as the reference for that particular non-chordate or chordate. So earthworm belongs to kingdom Animalia. Subkingdom non-chordata, you know it does not have any vertebral column. Phylum Annelida, and example is earthworm. So this classification you are going to write in the exam, study and write in the exam. Here it is already printed in the journal. Then along with the classification you are going to write any two characteristics in the exam. So first characteristic for earthworm is long, cylindrical and metamerically segmented body covered with cuticle. And second characteristic, as all of you know, it's called the friend of the farmer, as it dwells the land and makes the soil loose. It helps the farmer, hence it is called as the friend of the farmer. So here we complete with first non-chordate animal, that is earthworm. So your main thing is you are going to label and you are going to study about the characteristics and classification. Now we begin with our next non-chordate, that is cockroach. We have the next non-chordate, that is cockroach. You can see here the live specimen of cockroach. As such, most of the houses you see them during the night time. So this is a preserved specimen of cockroach. Now for the labeling you have to label in the first box on the top as wing of the cockroach. Then next to wing you have the head. Below the head you can see here antenna. Here on the left hand side, the box towards the bottom, they are the legs of the cockroach. Looking at it you can immediately know it. And above the legs we have the abdomen. So wings, head, antenna, abdomen and legs. Now as we have done for earthworm, here also you are going to write the classification for cockroach. In the exam it is already given in the journal. Cockroach belongs to kingdom Animalia, subkingdom non-chordata because absence of vertebral column, phylum Arthropoda because it has jointed appendages, class Insecta, and example which we have taken is cockroach. As we have done for earthworm, similarly you are going to write two characteristics for cockroach. Cockroach is a terrestrial and nocturnal insect. Head, thorax and abdomen are the three main body parts. cockroach has 3 pairs of jointed legs and 2 pairs of wings. Apart from this, if you feel, according to that phylum, if you, phylum Arthropoda, you know any other characteristic, that characteristic also you have to write. You can write in the exam, but the main name you have to take it as cockroach. Now we discuss the multiple choice questions. First one is, if non-labeled diagram of earthworm is given, then which special character must be shown to include it in a specific phylum? Options are I, metamerical segmentation, clitellum and anus. So for all these 3, it is not possible if it is given a live specimen or a preserved specimen. From the main point which you can find out is metamerical segmentation. So the answer is B, metamerical segmentation. Second, due to which similar characteristic honeybee and cockroach are included in the same phylum? Wings, 3 pairs of legs, jointed appendages, antenna. Due to which similar characteristic? Jointed appendages. Which of the following characters are not found in cockroach? Compound eyes are present. 2 pairs of wings are present. No jointed appendages. Jointed appendages are present. So the word here is no. So no jointed appendages is the correct option. Heart of cockroach has how many compartments? 2, 3, 4, 13. Heart of cockroach has 13 compartments. Earthworm has around dash segments on its body. 60 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140, more than 140. The correct answer is 100 to 120. Exercise. Make a list of other animals in the phylum Annelida. For this you can take the examples from the textbook, you can take the examples from Google Net, any 2 to 3 examples you can write. You have earthworm, leech, nereis and any other examples of your choice. What are the organs of locomotion in annelids? How do annelids move? Annelida, earthworm, you know, they move with the help of parapodia. So the organs of locomotion are either setae, parapodia or suckers. Any one organ you can write it. Third one, what is the reproductive speciality of annelids? How do they undergo reproduction? So they are either hermaphrodites or unisexual. Either hermaphrodites or unisexual. Last one, the exoskeleton of arthropods is made up from which material? You know, a thick material layer of calcium carbonate is present, that is known as chitin. CHITIN. So the exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Now, here we have completed practical number 6. We have completed 2 non-chordate animals, earthworm and cockroach. The main thing for you all is you have to complete your journals by labeling the diagrams which I have given the labels today, completing the MCQs and the exercise, as well as you are going to study the practicals also. Thank you.